If Gamma is giving you a presentation error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to fix it and get your deck generating again. Whether you're seeing a failed generation message, a stuck loading screen, or the app refusing to create your slides, these simple steps can usually solve the problem fast. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. First, let's check the most common issue: card and token limits. If you're on a free Gamma account, there is a strict limit of 10 cards or slides for a single prompt generation outline. If you try to push past that limit, Gamma may block the generation loop and return an error. So before you do anything else, make sure your outline is 10 cards or fewer. If your idea is bigger than that, break it into smaller sections and generate them separately. That alone can solve the problem for many users. Next, simplify your prompt outline. Gamma's AI engine can struggle when the prompt is too complex, too crowded, or full of overlapping style instructions. For example, if your prompt has too many formatting requests, too many design preferences, or messy structure, the generation may fail even if the content itself is fine. A good fix is to start with a very basic text outline first. Keep it simple. Use clear headings, short bullet points, and plain instructions. Then click Generate and see if Gamma can build the presentation successfully. Once the base version works, you can go back and refine the style, layout, or visuals afterward. This step-by-step approach is much more reliable than trying to force a perfect prompt on the first try. If the error still appears, the next step is to perform a hard reload. A normal refresh sometimes isn't enough, especially if the page has cached broken data or the session is stuck. On Windows, you can usually hard reload by pressing Ctrl+Shift+R. On a Mac, use Command+Shift+R. This forces the browser to fully reload the page and ignore cached files that may be causing the Gamma presentation error. After reloading, sign back in if needed, reopen your project, and try generating again. If you're still having trouble after that, try opening Gamma in a new browser tab or even a different browser entirely. Sometimes extensions, cache issues, or temporary browser glitches can interfere with the app. Also check that your internet connection is stable, because a weak connection can interrupt the generation process and make Gamma look broken when it's actually just struggling to load properly. So to quickly recap, first, stay within the free account card limit of 10 slides. Second, simplify your prompt and start with a basic outline. And third, perform a hard reload to clear any browser-side issues. In most cases, one of these fixes will get Gamma working again. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Gamma troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.